Hello, hello, welcome to Room Destination Marketing. I'm here with Chris and Greg, manning the camera. I think it's the first red selfie ever done. Yep. We're here with one of the first production versions of DJI Ronin. So we're one of the first people to have it, right? Which is amazing. So here we go, we're gonna unbox. Get it, Chris. It's a little bit heavy. There it is. There you go. Oh yeah. It's beautiful. Hey, it's gonna go with our red. Whoa.